Hi guys, it's Mrs. Carrillo here, and I wanted to give you a simple way to make long-lasting bubbles. And you can see that the bubbles are being blown and flying off into the distance. So here's a recipe for very easy, ooh, that's a good one, long-lasting bubbles. You need 3 cups of distilled water. You could use tap water as well, but distilled water works better. So here's my cup. You need 3 cups of distilled water, 1 cup of dish soap, and a half a cup of corn syrup, light corn syrup. So the order in which you mix them is important. You would pour your 3 cups of distilled water into the bowl first, then your 1 cup of dish soap, and then, wow, it's still going. And then your half cup of corn syrup. And then you mix them together very slowly. And then you get to make long-lasting, really cool bubbles. And we're actually using a turkey baster with the end taken off as a bubble wand. So a kind of fun rainy day activity. If you have these ingredients around the house, you could make some long-lasting bubbles yourself. All right, thanks, bye.